Look at that, beautiful. Sun is shining as well. Wow. But yeah, so today we're in Spain, some good vibes, you feel me? We're just going to cook up a beef from scratch. So I'm just going to head back inside because otherwise it will like be too warm. So I don't know what we're going to make, but I think I want to make something really vibey and summery just because I'm like in that type of mood and the sun is out. Bruh, I'm really in such a good mood. It's just crazy what the sun does to me. I'm really excited to make this video with you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. I kind of like this sound. So how you create like easy and simple chords really fast is, if you don't know any like music theory like me, I learned this trick from beatmaking.com. What you do is just like pick a random note, for example right here E, and then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Super simple, but it works. And then you just like can build off of that and just like add some more notes or take out some notes and just like get really creative with it. Right now I'm just going to like make a little progression and make it like a little bit more interesting. So let's get it. Let's add some reverb to this to make it like a little bit more wavier and ambient. I like the sanctuary preset a lot. And then just like drag everything up. And the pre-delay down. Low cut. Ooh, this is gonna be wavy, bro. I already can tell. Let me just add some drums to create like a little bit of a bounce and rhythm. So the mix might be a little bit off just because I'm not used to like mixing inside of these headphones. But other than that, we just make it work. Ooh, I like this. Like the last hi-hat is just like unexpected. I might just like change the hi-hat sound later, but for now it will do. It's really simple right now, but I'm just going to add some more sounds later. For now I just want to create a little bit of a bounce. I like that. I might just drop it down 2 semitones. Just that way the 808 is hitting much harder. Sometimes you get like a sweet spot inside of the 808. Oof. Yeah. Wait. We need to add some extra notes right here. Turn me up, it is time, yeah. Turn me up, it is summer, it is day. I got eyes in the glass, turn me on, yeah. So if you want to make your 808s hit a little bit harder, just Control C, Control V to paste, or Command C, Command V, and then just like duplicate the 808 notes and drag down the velocity. The 808 will smack like crazy. Yeah. Shit. All right, let's add some extra sounds. gassed up. I maybe might just add an ARP sound. I just want to go like shit. Or maybe just on the ones. Just like that. Right now, add a ton of reverb. Let it glide right here. Then I will go like da da da. Ooh, da da da. Wait a minute. I just render everything out for a minute, but so far I'm liking the beat, the vibe is there, and we made this hella fast. Like right now I'm recording 17 minutes. That's pretty decent. Like I took a little break off of making beats and right now I'm fired up, making every beat just like that. So I suggest you do the same from time to time. Da -da, da -da 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 -da. I kind of want to add a sound like this. Ooh. Ah, that's beautiful. It all sounds super simple, but when you like put it together, it just like blends so well. I just dropped down the sample rate from this sound because it's a little bit too harsh in my opinion. So 1500, resample, accept, and drag that pitch in there like that. See how that sounds. Of course we need to pitch it. I kind of like this more. It's more like subtle. It just boost it a little bit. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, I like this. I like this. I really like this. Vinyl. Magic switch. And I might just layer this and drag this one an octave down to give like the sound a more like fuller and thicker sound. Found one here. It just creates like a whole different vibe. We might need to change the 808 as well, just like the sound of it. Ooh, that's cold. That's cold. Maybe this one. Oh my days, that drop. Goddamn, that was the mail. Motherfuckers, they always interrupt my videos. I don't know what it is, but it's just crazy, bro. Literally from the moment I open up my laptop like this, bam, someone is there, bro. Let's just finish up this beat because it's too fire. Wow, I really love the beat. I really love how simple the beat is, but it really hits hard and knocks hard. Really like unique in my opinion as well. I really enjoyed making this beat with you guys, really, for real. That was a lot of really, but really, thank you so much for all the love and the support. It really means a lot to me. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I'm active on social media as well, @SkanaBeats. Make sure to check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.